I will talk about how can you add widgets on your Fly browser app. We're going to figure out the solution on know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do in verse, you just go down, you click here on me down here, just click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. So then all you have to do next, you just click here on add widget here, just click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then you click here on add. So then automatically it's going to add video here on your, it's going to add to widget here on your Fly browser app. So that's all you have to do. I wish know you I get it. That's all. You just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.